I just wanted to do a review of this phone right here. It's a p168c. Other than the p168s with Java, this is the newest version that I've seen. First of all, I wanted to compare it to some of the other popular phones out right now. This is the i68, which is identical pretty much to the i9. You can see that the p168 is slightly larger. This way they're pretty much the same, but it's a little bit thicker. Comparing it to the iPhone, you can see it's also slightly thicker than that. So your cases that fit the iPhone, they won't fit this phone, but they're about the same size that way. They both got the slide to unlock. You can see that right there. But definitely slightly thicker. Also, comparison to the G1 for T-Mobile users, which is what I like to use. It's actually probably about the same thickness, but it's obviously a little bit wider. About the same length though. Going over a few basics on the P168. The main thing that this phone has that the other clone phones don't have is the Java. You can't install any apps on this phone. There is a newer model that you can install apps on, but I've heard that the quality on that one's not quite as good. This model P168, as far as I know, is the first of the clone phones. It's been out for a couple years now, and it's probably the best quality. Just like the others, it doesn't have Wi-Fi or GPS or anything like that, but you can connect to the internet just over your standard, just over the WAP right here. If you go to service and you set it up, like with T-Mobile, they can send you a text message, and once you get the text message, there's settings in there that you can install directly from the text messages to set up your internet. I'm not sure how AT&T does it, but that's the easiest way I've found on T-Mobile, is to just call them. They'll send you the text, you install the settings, and then you can connect to the internet. I'll show you here. You've got your MP3 player. You can fast forward just by holding down here on the little scroll bar. This phone actually has 6 speakers. If you can see, there's one at each corner, one there, one there, one there, one there, and then there's 2 right there. So you get a 3D surround sound. I mean, it's pretty loud. This isn't even the loudest that it goes. It's got pretty good sound quality, especially for a $100 phone. Here I'll show you the movie player. You can play it in standard mode, or widescreen. Another cool thing you can do, which may come in handy here and there, is you can take a screenshot of of whatever video you're watching. If there's something that you want to make like a wallpaper of, just hit this little button right here, takes a screenshot. Then you can go back here to your multimedia center and go to image viewer, and right here will be your snapshot of whatever video you're watching. Another thing you can do when you're looking at your pictures is you can slide back